Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to connect to the 1.1 VPN just 1 minute. First open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for 1.1 faster and safer internet by Cloudflare. Click on 1.1 warp safer internet and install it. Once installed, open the app. You will see simple switch on the main screen. Click on the next and click on accept. Install your VPN profile. Tap on OK. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.